Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to transform your photos into different AI styles using CapCut? With the Photo Styler feature, CapCut can automatically create stylized AI versions of your photos in just a few simple steps. Let me show you how to use it on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First, open CapCut on your device. Tap Edit. Next, go to Photo Tools. Then tap Photo Styler. Now choose the photo you want to transform. CapCut will now open the Photo Styler feature. Here, you can browse different AI style themes and effects. Choose the style theme you want to use. CapCut will now process the image automatically using AI. This process may take a little time depending on the selected style. Once the generation is finished, you will see multiple AI-generated results. Now select the result or template you like. After choosing your favorite result, tap the checkmark button. Finally, tap Export to save the stylized photo to your device. And that's how to use Photo Styler in CapCut on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra.